Good day, everyone. Today we're going to be discussing the Mathematics Grade 9 Term 3 scope. So within the first to the third week, you're going to be learning about the graphs, how to interpret a graph, and you're going to be drawing graphs. Within the third to fifth week, you're going to be learning about the geometry of straight lines, the relationship of angles, and solving problems. It can be to solve geometric problems using the relationship between the pairs of angles described above. From week 6 to week 9, we are going to be learning about the geometry of 2D shapes and construction of geometric figures. It's more like classifying the 2D shapes. You're going to learn about the revised properties and definitions of triangles in terms of their sides and angles, and be able to distinguish them, like the equilateral triangle, the isosceles triangle, and the right-angled triangle. You're also going to learn about the constructions of it. They will provide with accurately constructed figures to investigate the properties of triangles, which investigate the angles in a triangle, focusing on the relationship between the exterior angle of a triangle and its interior angles. You're going to be also diving more into 2D shapes, into classifying 2D shapes. You're going to revise and write clear definitions of quadrilateral in terms of their sides, angles, diagonals, and to distinguish between the parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, and kite. And you're also going to be taught the constructions on how to investigate the sides and angles and diagonals in quadrilateral, which focus on exploring the sum of the interior angles of polygons, the diagonals of rectangles, squares, parallelograms, rhombi, and kites. You're also going to learn about the similar and congruent triangles. Through investigation, you'll establish the minimum condition for congruent triangles. Through the investigation again, you're going to establish the minimum condition for similar triangles. Within the construction that you're going to learn, they will provide learners with accurately constructed figures to explore the minimum condition for two triangles to be congruent, which works more on you solving problems. Within the 10th week is gonna be a revision of everything that you have learned towards the whole term of term 3. Following this scope, you should be able to complete the formal assessment test given from week 11, and you should be able to complete everything. Thank you.